This is the elevator, E and F clusters. Whoa, what the? A little glitchy.
Doors closing. Please stand clear. Doors opening. Okay to enter.
Of course it's got those sensors. That's cool. Wait, hold on.
Doors closing.
Let's see if we have a good motor.
Please stand clear.
Door stopping.
Doors opening. Okay to enter.
Oh, no, that was weird.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
A little bouncy. Motor on this one's insanely quiet.
Doors opening.
Whoa.
Okay to enter.
This is really bouncy. And we'll end it on, we'll get a
Doors
1.
closing. Please stand clear.
Okay, well, Bill likes the chime. I feel like this is a Nouveau. I don't know though. Look at 2 indicators.
Doors opening. Okay to enter.
Lantern's a little bit messed up. There's probably another elevator in this building.
Doors closing.
They found my new school elevator right here.